Did he go up high?
Go up high.
Go up high.
Go up high, Tom.
Go up high, Tom. It's
Look.
Thomas. Look, he's up high. And he's going underneath the bridge.
Go down, Tom.
Oh no, bridge collapse. Mama help you?
Mama.
Mama. Oh, there he goes.
But think up. It's your hole.
You see a hole? That's right. It has a little hole underneath.
Think up.
That's right. The hole goes on that little peg. It's a bit tricky though. Want some help? Want some help? It is a bit tricky. Look, it looks like a little ramp. Now we can just go over the ramp. That's a good way to do it. Here comes Proteus.
Oh no.
Whoa, jump, Proteus, jump. Boing. And boing.
That's it.
Jump, that's right. Jump, Jump, Proteus. Jump, you did it, Proteus. Toot toot.
Jump.
Cement truck. Jump, cement truck, jump. Boing, boing.
Tag.
Oh, water for the cement truck. Here we go. Look. Keep that cement nice and wet. Oh, jump.
Mama.
More water.